How to log in into BHP Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in BHP Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, BHP Careers Portal. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website. Now here you're gonna see the option of BHP Employee Login. Click on that option. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. Firstly, type in the email address. Then click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in the password and click on done. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you have any issues logging into your account, click on this option. With that, your problem will be resolved. This way, you can easily log in into BHP Employees Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.